Can't afford your mortgage anymore? You're not alone. Don't walk away from your home. Instead, move in with your family, rent out your house so that your bills are covered, and turn your biggest liability into an income stream while you work to fix your finances. Drowning in debt? Consider pulling equity from your home. Use it to crush car loans, overdrafts, debt, and massive credit card balances. Use your equity to pay everything off. Not eligible for home equity? Take an RRSP loan from yourself. You'll get a tax receipt, help rebuild your credit, and you're investing back into your future. Remember, your home isn't just where you live. It can be your way out. Let's think outside the box and join the war on finances. Remember, start budgeting smart today, protect your credit, and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.